Yeah.
Indojinilo no no wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, Anamekelo. I'm with ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So let's have a round of applause for Kelsey. All right, give it up for Kelsey. Thank you, Kelsey, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day gift. So I asked Kelsey to describe herself to me, and one of the major things that stuck out in her description was that she said she wanted to be at peace. So I'm going to give her the name Udo Dirim. You want to say that with me? Udo Dirim. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, good. So Udo Dirim, or a short version of that name is Udo Dire. So Udo Dirim. So Udo means peace. It literally means peace directly. It's a direct translation. And Dire means it means like to be or to exist. So and then that starts, that M sound, it signifies that you're talking about yourself, right? So it could be Udo Dire or Udo Dirim, which means, so it means peace. Let there be peace, or basically let there be peace, or let my situation be peaceful. You know what I'm saying? Let me be at peace, basically. Or you can say, so basically Udo Dire means basically let there be peace, and Udo Dirim means let me be at peace. That sound means that I'm referring to myself. Okay? So Udo Dirim or Udo Dire. So Udo Dire's names give them the power to be introverted, thoughtful, and very intelligent. Share this video with all the Udo Dires that you know. Thanks. So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. So like this video, like I said, leave a comment below, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also hit the bell button to know whenever I post a new video, and share this video with a friend. Thank you. Hit me up on my Instagram below to tell me your Igbo name, and if you don't have one, don't worry, I'll gift you one. Looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say about this series. What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? What could I do to make it better? So yeah, let me know. I'll continue to make videos like this to teach you guys about Igbo culture. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks. Take care. Have a good one. I will see you